The meaning of the first Rauhnacht, magical prelude to the time between the years. The Rauhnacht traditionally begins on the night of December 20th to 21st, the so-called first Rauhnacht. It marks the start of a magical phase of transition that lasts until January 6th. These 12 nights are considered a special time in which the connection between the visible and invisible world is particularly strong. Each of the Rauhnächte is assigned to a month of the coming year, and the first Rauhnacht symbolically represents the month of January. Spiritual and symbolic meaning of the first Rauhnacht. The first Rauhnacht is of particular importance as it marks the transition from the old year into the mystical time of the Rauhnächte. This night is all about freeing yourself from old burdens and making room for the new. The first Rauhnacht is a time of silence and retreat. Symbolically, this night represents new beginnings and purification. It is an opportunity to reflect on the past year and prepare emotionally and mentally for the new year. This night offers space to let go of the old, be it conflicts, unresolved problems, or old habits, and to focus on the things that are to be important in the coming year. In many traditions, this first Rauhnacht is also considered the moment when the gates to the spiritual world are opened. It is a time when you should pay particular attention to signs and inner inspirations, as the energies of this night can offer prophetic insights for the new year. Rituals in the first Rauhnacht. 1. Incense for purification. A central custom in the first Rauhnacht is smoking the house and yard. This is often done with herbs such as frankincense, mugwort, sage, or juniper, which have a cleansing and protective effect. The smoke is supposed to drive away negative energies and prepare the home energetically for the Rauhnacht. Traditionally, people go from room to room while opening windows and doors to let the old energies out. 2. Looking back, the first Rauhnacht is an ideal opportunity to reflect on the past year. This can be done by writing a diary or doing personal meditation. You think about which events, encounters, and experiences have shaped the year and what you would like to leave behind. This is also a good time to think about what goals and wishes you have for the coming year. 3. Interpreting dreams. During the Rauhnacht, dreams are given special meaning. It is said that the dreams of the first Rauhnacht can give clues about the coming January. Many people keep a dream diary and try to interpret their dreams that night. To promote the clarity of dreams, a ritual can be carried out before going to bed, such as burning incense or meditating. 4. Oracles and predictions. In addition to dreams, you can also try to gain insights into the coming year using simple oracle methods. A common oracle is drawing a card from a tarot or oracle set that is supposed to give clues about the mood and topics of the coming month of January. 5. Letting go of the old. Another important aspect of the first Rauhnacht is the conscious letting go of old burdens. This can be done symbolically by burning pieces of paper on which you write down everything you want to leave behind: fears, conflicts, or negative habits. By burning, the old is symbolically dissolved to make room for the new. 6. Formulate gratitude and wishes. A positive start to the Rauhnacht can be achieved through a gratitude ritual. You take time to be grateful for all the positive things and experiences of the past year. Afterwards, you can formulate your wishes for the coming year. These can be written down and kept in an envelope for the future. 7. Silence and meditation. The first Rauhnacht also invites you to consciously enter into silence. Through meditation or conscious breathing exercises, you can connect with your own inner wisdom and tune into the spiritual energy of the Rauhnacht. Meditation can help you gain clarity about your own goals and wishes and find inner balance. The first Rauhnacht as a moment of new beginning. The first Rauhnacht is the beginning of an intensive phase of transition and inner reflection. It offers the opportunity to close the past year and consciously prepare for the new year. Rituals such as incense, oracles, and letting go of old burdens help to cleanse oneself energetically and open the mind to what is to come. For many people, this night is not only a time of retreat, but also a phase of new beginnings in which one can gain spiritual insights and visions for the coming year. By using the special energy of this night, one can consciously and mindfully start the coming Rauhnacht and the new year.